The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy S7 for AT&T Prepaid. So the Galaxy S7 is available at AT&T Prepaid. They recently launched it on their prepaid service. So you guys know that the Galaxy S7 is almost 3 years old. The Galaxy S7 came out in 2016. It was Samsung's flagship phone for 2016. So this phone is old, but it's still a pretty good phone in 2018. Okay, so this phone's almost 3 years old, and yeah, so the Galaxy S7 on on AT&T Prepaid is $499.99. That's a bit high in my opinion. That's a bit too high in my opinion. This is a brand new Galaxy S7. This is not a refurbished S7. This is a brand new. So I could kind of say the price, but I think the price is a bit too high in my opinion. At $499 for a almost 3-year-old flagship is just ridiculous in my opinion. I think it should be a bit lower than that, but it's $499.99, so it is what it is. So last week I got the Galaxy S7 for AT&T Prepaid. Okay, it says get the Samsung Galaxy S7 AT&T Prepaid. Key features include Samsung's first dual-pixel smartphone camera and up to 256 GB of expandable storage. Obviously, you do have to have your own microSD card. It does not come with one. So yeah, there's the phone right there. Y'all guys know what the S7 looks like. Y'all guys know the specs and everything. It has a front-facing camera. It has your sensors there. Earpiece Samsung logo. It has a physical home button / fingerprint sensor. It has recent apps right there, and it has your back button right there. Your power button is on the right side, your volume button is on the left side of the phone. So yeah, it's available in black here. It looks pretty nice, you know. So yeah, there's a lot of there's like a lot of videos there that you guys can check out on the Galaxy S7. If you guys can check those out. This is what the Galaxy S7 looks like on the back. Obviously, it has a single rear camera. It has camera flash, and has an AT&T logo, and has a Galaxy S7 branding. It looks gloss on the back, and it is glossy and stuff like that. So yeah, you know, it looks pretty nice. You know, not too bad. No. What is this? This is the I want to say it's the right side of the phone, I want to say, and your micro SD and SIM card is on either the left side or the right side. I think it's on the right side. The battery is not removable on the S7. The battery is not removable, alright? So do keep that in mind, alright? And there's the S7 again right there, alright? You know, I'm kind of surprised that AT&T Prepaid bought the S7 over. I'm surprised. I'm surprised they didn't bought the S8 or the S9, which I'm sure they will eventually. But the S7 is still pretty good in 2018. The phone is almost 3 years old, like I said, and it's not gonna get much more updates than what it has now. So we'll see what OS this one's running. So we'll see about that in just a second. So key features of the Galaxy S7: design. The Galaxy S7 gives you a crisp, clear display on the 5.1-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display. Alright, so it's Quad HD Super AMOLED. Expandable memory, of course. Get more memory via micro SD card. You do have to get that your own. It does not come with one. Camera is a smartphone with dual pixel technology, shoots like a pro, plus a faster autofocus helps to reduce blurry photos. Okay, so that's a win. And of course, the Galaxy S7 is IP68 water resistance. Alright, it says from daily workouts to selfies on the beach, the water resistant design is ready for virtually anything. Alright, so this phone is IP68 water and dust resistance. So you know, that's a win, of course. Every view, of course, y'all guys know the specs on this phone. big on screen, slim on profile, introducing the smartphone your life can't do without. The Samsung Galaxy S7, packed with features to keep you both productive and entertained, all in a sleek, slim design that fits comfortably in your hand or pocket. Key features include 5.1-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display. That's about 576 ppi or something like that. It has a 12 megapixel dual pixel rear facing camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. The rear camera shoots in 4K, the front camera shoots in Full HD 1080. It has IP68 water resistance rating, 3000 mAh battery. The battery is not removable in it. Also comes with DirecTV tools and apps and stuff like that. So you'll probably get DirecTV apps pre-installed on this phone, of course. So yeah, less is finally more, but a bigger, more stunning screen on a slimmer profile. The Galaxy S7 proves that less can actually be more. Fully immerse yourself in movies, games, and more on the 5.1-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED screen. And when you are done, the Galaxy S7 comfortably slides right back into your pocket. Alright? So that's the camera you have right there on the S7. Pixel perfect. The first Samsung smartphone with dual pixel technology. The first Samsung smartphone with dual pixel technology shoots like a pro. The 12 megapixel rear camera features faster autofocus and a new low light sensor that catches each detail even in soft light. Now you'll capture each moment as you actually see it, plus capture a beautiful selfie on the 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera. Alright, so yeah. I mean, the specs on the Galaxy S7 are not too bad. I would say it's kind of like a budget phone in 2018. This was a flagship phone back in 2016, of course. Y'all guys know that. Y'all guys know the specs for this phone and stuff like that. And in 2018, it's kind of like a budget phone now. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a budget phone, if you guys want to get a Samsung flagship from a few years ago, the S7 is worth checking out. But for $499, it's a bit too fucking high for a brand new Galaxy S7. It's a little bit ridiculous in my opinion. It should be a bit lower than that. But it's AT&T, so you'll be paying more for the phone and shit. So yeah, it says ready for virtually anything. There are two things you can't live without: water in your smartphone. Of course, that's true. You know what I'm saying? You know, we can't live without water, of course, and we can't live without our smartphones. We're addicted to our phones. Y'all guys know that. We're addicted to tech. We're addicted to it. So yeah. So fortunately, the Samsung Galaxy S7 has an IP68 rating. That means it repels spills, splashes, and even dunks. So you can just pick it up, wipe it off, and keep going. So it has it has wireless charging, of course. Y'all guys know that. Take charge of your time. Stop waiting around for your phone to charge. With fast wireless charging, the Galaxy S7 can quickly power up from 0 to 100, and with the 3000 mAh battery in our thinnest device, the Galaxy S7 gives you the power to keep going. Alright. So yeah, this thing has wireless charging as well. So I think it also has quick charging as well, if I'm not mistaken. I think it has quick charging also, so that's a win as well. It has DirecTV, of course. You guys know that AT&T owns DirecTV now, and so it's gonna have DirecTV stuff on there. So yeah, it says the Galaxy S7 integrates DirecTV right into the phone with a widget, app, voice command, and quick remote. Wow. So it has all that on there, so you can control your TV, get instant access to your remote control from the notification site. So if you guys have DirecTV, y'all guys can control your TV from your phone, stuff like that. So that's a win. So stream live TV anytime with the DirecTV app and widget on your device. You can stream your favorite shows and live TV. Your voice is our command. Speak up using your Samsung device to open DirecTV app by saying, "Hello Galaxy, open DirecTV." So that's how you guys do it. So yeah. If you guys need help, if you guys have DirecTV and you guys want to do all this stuff, if you guys need help, contact DirecTV and they'll be able to help you out with that on how to set it up and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So you guys can use your phone like a remote. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it has an IR blast on here. I think so. I think it does an IR blast on here. I think so. I'm not sure. So here are the specs from the S7. Y'all guys know what the specs are, like I said. Dimensions of the S7 is 5.61 inches, height 2.74 inches, width 0.31 inches, depth. The phone weighs 5.36 ounces, so yeah, a bit hefty, but not too bad. Display on the S7 is 5.1 inches Quad HD Super AMOLED, 2560 by 1440 pixels. That's about 576 ppi. There, camera and video. Front-facing camera, 5 megapixel with real-time HDR and selfie flash. 12 megapixel with dual pixel technology. Faster autofocus, OIS, and real-time HDR. It has 240 FPS at HD, 60 frames at Full HD, and 30 frames at 4K. So basically, y'all guys can record 720p videos at 240, Full HD videos at 60 frames, and 4K videos at 30 frames per second. So it has zoom, 8x zoom. It has auto settings. It has pro settings. It has selective focus, panorama, slow motion, fast motion, virtual shot. So it has all those features on there. So yeah. Your battery, of course, you guys know, 3000 mAh battery is not removable. It has wireless charging. It has 28 hours of talk time. Standby time is 12 days. 83 hours of audio playback time and wireless charging capable and rapid charging. The processor in the S7 is Snapdragon 820 Qualcomm quad-core it's basically a quad-core processor. So it's 2 cores at 2.15 gigahertz and 2 cores at 1.6 gigahertz. So it's basically an octa-core it's a quad-core processor. Same processor as the LG V20, the phone I have. So same processor, but the V20 has better internal memory, but you know, yeah. So it's the same processor as the LG V20, of course, y'all guys know that. So yeah, it has Snapdragon 820. It's still pretty good in 2018. It's almost a 3-year-old processor, so do keep that in mind as well. The memory on the Galaxy S7, of course, is 32 gigs. You do have micro SD card expands up to 256 gigs. It takes micro SD cards and it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. So not too bad. So this is like a budget phone-ish, you know. But the price does not justify that. I mean, for $479, I mean, it's ridiculous to pay $479 for almost a 3-year-old flagship. Fuck that. Kiss my ass on that. The Samsung Galaxy S7 on the AT&T prepaid. It runs Android 7.8 nougat. According to this, it runs 7.8 nougat. I know that the AT&T S7 has gotten Oreo. I know it has gotten Oreo. I know it has, but I don't know if the prepaid version will get Oreo. I don't know, but if the S7 on AT&T prepaid comes with Android 7.8 nougat, so do keep that in mind. It comes with Samsung's TouchWiz interface, and yeah. The S7, of course, has 4G LTE, has bands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 20, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, and 41. And it has HSPA+, 3G GSM, Word Phone Quad band that has 802.11 A, BGN, and AC in R. I'm not sure what R is. It has 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 4.0. It has mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, so that is pretty good. It has it has noise suppression, and it has wireless emergency alerts, of course, and that takes a nano SIM card. Alright, so yeah. Applications, a lot of applications on this phone. Of course, it is an AT&T phone, so it's going to have a lot of AT&T stuff on it. Of course, it has Google Play, Google Hangouts, Amazon Shopping, Amazon Kindle, Google Play, Lookout. It has Galaxy apps, Facebook, and etc. So we don't know what etc. is. So it's gonna have all. It's gonna have all of the Samsung apps on there. It has Galaxy apps, which I suggest you guys do not use that. It's fucking trash. Trust me, I've used it and it's trash. You get AT&T apps on here, but you get AT&T Address Book, AT&T Drive Mode, AT&T Hotspots, AT&T Locker, AT&T Protect Plus, DirecTV, of course. You get plenty. You get smart limits. You get virtual. You get visual voicemail, and you get usage manager. You also get My AT&T, which provides fast, easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. And it has games, of course. You download games from the Play Store or the Galaxy App Store, which I suggest you guys get all your apps from the Google Play Store. The S7 comes with two browsers. It comes with Samsung browser and Google Chrome. Not a fan of Google Chrome on mobile. I'm just not a fan of it. I do use Google Chrome on my laptop, but on my phone I use Firefox. So it comes with two browsers, but you can download more browsers if you guys want to do that. So yeah, you do have a choice of browsers there. The sensors, it has accelerometer, proximity barometer. It has ambient light. It has gyroscope, hail sensor, heart rate sensor, fingerprint, digital compass. Your heart rate sensor is in the back underneath the camera flash in the back of the phone, so that's where your heart rate thing is. Your fingerprint sensor is your home button, messaging and email. You have all these here. You guys have all that stuff there. Music. It has Google Play Music as your default music player. Accessibility. It has all those there. Sustainability and all that. It has that as well. And also, what you guys get in the they got reviews here. So if you guys want to check out the reviews, you guys can do that. I don't know if it's gonna say what's in the box, but just trying to see. And what you guys get in the Samsung Galaxy S7 box on AT&T Prepaid, you guys get the phone, of course, the travel adapter, USB cable, and USB connector, stereo earbuds, headset, SIM tray, tool, and quick start guide. So yeah, so there it is, guys, the Samsung Galaxy S7 on AT&T Prepaid, available now for $49.99. The price is a bit too high in my opinion for this phone. I mean, it's ridiculous to pay almost $500 for a 3-year-old flagship, but hopefully AT&T Prepaid will lower this phone down, because I mean $499 for a 3-year-old flagship is just ridiculous in my opinion. So there it is, guys, the Samsung Galaxy S7 on AT&T Prepaid, $499.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.